In this video clip, I'm going to show you how to create the spring, which is the compression spring, the component that will be needed for the inside of the check valve system. It will be pressed up against the acrylic sphere and the 3D printed part that is the insert that goes inside this system, this technological system. So what I want to do is I'm looking at the spring here. I'm going to create its own separate IPT file by going to the Inventor menu, clicking New. I'm going to stick with standard inches IPT for this particular drawing, hit Create. From here, I'm going to go ahead and start the 2D sketch. Click on the X and Y plane. Now from here, I need to go to the check valve assembly and look at the spring and how it's drawn. So I'm going to go and click on the spring itself, right-click on the sketch, hit it at the sketch, and this is what we have here. So I have a line going up, 0.188. And I have a line going over the distance that I want the linear spring to be moving at, or the distance it will span across, which is 1 inch. So I'm going to go back into my part and draw that out. I also have a diameter of this circle right here, which is 0.032. Let's see it again. 0.032. So I could start with that really. So I'm going to start with that right here. 0.032, that's my sphere. Hit enter. Okay, it looks pretty small, doesn't it? And from here go down, distance, and over. And the reason why it looks so small is because I believe I'm in the wrong tool set. So let's go to Document Settings, make sure it's set to inches, hit OK. Now let's go and change this, 0.032 inches. Let's see what that looks like. There we go, that's much better. And now the distance here, we're going to dimension that. And that one will need to be 0.188. 0.188. And the distance here will be 1 inch. Hit Finish Sketch. There it is right there, zoom in on it. And we're going to use the coil feature. The coil is right here. And we're going to go to coil size. We're going to be going with the pitch and height. Then we'll adjust what we need. The height will be 1 inch. Pitch and height, sorry, pitch and height. There we go, pitch will be 0.121 and the height will be 1 inch. That's the pitch and height. And for some reason it's not letting us do it, so let me try it again. Coil. Oh, no wonder. We need to select the axis, which is right here, and the profile, which is already selected. Go back to coil size, pitch and height, 1 inch. Coil ends, they can be flat on either side, and hit OK. So there's the spring, and that is what you see in the check valve system right here when I hit Finish Sketch. So spring, spring. So that is all you'll have to do for this part of the component that needs to be created for the check valve system.